Welcome to the World Drone Market channel. Today's video is about the flight test of the SIYI ZT30 gimbal pod and the SIYI RC7 remote controller. The products used in this test include SIYI ZT30 gimbal pod, SIYI RC7 remote controller, CUAV X7 Plus flight controller, and CUAV ENO3pro GPS. The SIYI RC7 Pro is SIYI's new generation of handheld ground stations designed for drones, vehicles, boats, and intelligent robots. This series supports 2.45 GHz dual-band communication with a range of up to 40 kilometers. On the SIYI GCS ground station, you can switch between multiple gimbal pod display modes. Single view, main window shows only the zoom camera. Single view, main window shows only the wide-angle camera. Single view, main window shows only the thermal camera. Dual view, left equals zoom camera, right equals thermal camera. Dual view, left equals wide-angle camera, right equals thermal camera. Dual view, left equals zoom camera, right equals wide-angle camera. The yaw axis of the ZT30 supports unlimited rotation, providing a seamless 360-degree view during flight. The ZT30 also supports one-tap movement with 4 quick control options. Center reset, pitch and yaw return to center. Yaw reset plus pitch down. Yaw returns to center, pitch down 90 degrees. Yaw reset only, yaw returns to center, pitch remains unchanged. Pitch down, yaw unchanged, pitch down 90 degrees. The ZT30 offers 180 hybrid zoom and 30 optical zoom. Smooth zooming and clear imaging bring distant scenery right before your eyes. The thermal imaging camera supports global, point, and area temperature measurement. You can select any area on the screen, and the system will automatically mark the highest and lowest temperature points and display the corresponding temperature data. The SIYI ZT30 is a 4-sensor hybrid gimbal pod that integrates a zoom camera, thermal imaging camera, laser rangefinder, and wide-angle camera for efficient collaboration. It is equipped with a 640,512 high-resolution thermal imaging sensor, a high-precision 1,200-meter class laser rangefinder, 180 hybrid zoom and 30 optical zoom. It also features 2K ultra-wide-angle infinite rotation on the yaw axis, an upgraded shock-absorbing quick-release structure, and versatile gimbal control interfaces compatible with both SIYI Lynx and third-party Link products. Its high-precision, highly coordinated control algorithm ensures stable zooming and imaging during flight, making it an outstanding payload option for multirotor drones, VTOL drones, and intelligent robots. The ZT30 is equipped with a high-precision laser rangefinder, supporting measurement ranges from 5 to 1200 meters. With its powerful features combined with SIYI RC7's 40 km transmission range, 4K 30 FPS decoding capability, transmission bitrate up to 65 megabits per second, and strong performance, the ZT30 provides an exceptional experience for drone operation. This concludes today's flight test video of the SIYI ZT30 and SIYI RC7. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. If you have any questions about the video content, or if you would like us to provide more in-depth explanations in future videos, please leave us a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the World Drone Market channel, where we will continue to bring you more drone equipment reviews, tutorials, and practical guides. See you in the next video.